random continuous random variable. A continuous random variable is a random variable where the data can take infinitely many values. For example, a random variable measuring the time taken for the something to be done is continuous. Since there are infinite number of possible times that can be taken. So in continuous random variable, we can take the variable in interval minus infinity less than or equal to x less than or equal to infinity. Let's see the definition. A continuous random variable which takes the infinite number of possible values. The continuous randoms are usually measurement. Example: height, weight, the amount of sugar in orange, the time requirement. The so so the each and every values we can take as in consider in interval. Next, probability distribution of continuous random variable. Continuous random variable. Let x be a continuous random variable. Then the probability distribution or probability density function of x is a function f of x such that for any two number a and b with a less than or equal to b, we have p of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b equal to integration of a to b x. A function f of x defined in interval, a function f of x defined in interval a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. The variable x defined in interval a to a and b. Next, properties of probability density function. The probability density function of random variable x has the following probabilities. The function should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, as interval take between minus infinity to x less than plus infinity. The integration of minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx equal to 1. This is a total probability. If E is then any even, the probability of E is equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx. Continuous distribution function. If the continuous random variable f of x equal to p of x less than or equal to x equal to integration minus infinity to f of x into dx, the limit value minus infinity plus infinity. For example, the x define the interval minus infinity to x less than or equal to up to plus 2. Okay, we want to define the function minus infinity to integral f2 limit upper limit 2 into f of x into dx. So this is the probability distribution for function for the continuous random variable. Properties of continuous random variable. 0. First property, the function should be 0 in between 0 and 1. The limit values from minus infinity to plus infinity. The limit f of x value, it will be 1. The p of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b equal to integration of a to b f of x into dx. P of x less than or equal to minus p of x less than or equal to a into f of b minus f of a. The f dash of x equal to d by dx into f of x equal to small f of x into greater than or equal to 0. Problem number 1. The continuous random variable has the distribution function f of x equal to 0 if x less than or equal to 1. The function, the x value having less than or equal to 1 means it have to take the function 0. If the x lies between 1 to 3 means have to take the function k into f x minus 1. If the function the x value if you more than 3 means you have to take the function 1. Here we want to find k value, the probability density function of f of x. See here, we want to take the interval minus infinity plus infinity to plus infinity. So here we want to separate the interval, here 1, here 3, here. So if the integral limit value minus infinity x less than or equal to 1 means, so this interval all the values are less than or equal to 1. How to take the function here 0. Second, take the interval value 1 to 3 mean want to take, this is the interval x less than 3. Here want to take the function k into x minus 1. Then function 1. If the all the x value greater than or equal to 3 means this range is a greater than or equal to 3. We want to take the function value 1. So we want to take here the function integration of minus infinity to plus infinity to f of x equal to dx equal to 1. This is a total probability. We know that we want to separate the interval. How it will be minus infinity to plus 1 f of x into dx plus integration of 1 to 3 into f of x into dx plus integration of 3 to infinity f of x into dx. We know that what is if the limit value minus into 1 mean want to take the function 0. Function value is 0. Next here integration of minus 1 to 3 into what is f of x in the range k into x minus 1 into dx plus integration of here the range 3 to infinity mean it will be 1 into dx. 1 into dx. Okay. Second things, the given probability function here p is equal to, here we want to integrate the term. So the first term it will be 0. Second term it will be we have only here integration of 1 to 3 k into x minus 1 into dx plus integration of 1 to infinity into 3 to infinity into 1 into dx. So integrate the term k into equal to 1. So k into it will be integration, it will be we want to separate the term integration 1 to 3 x into dx minus 1 into dx plus integration 3 to infinity 1 into dx. Now dx into 1. K into it will be integration this time it will be x square by 2. Limit value 1 to 3. Mine it will be x. Here also limit value 1 to 3. 1 to 3 plus integration of x it will be x into 3 to infinity equal to 1. So k into 8 by 2 minus first substitute upper limit 2 by minus uh, 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus infinity minus 3 equal to 1. It will be, if you take the LCM, you will get k into, if you take the LCM 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 7 by 2 minus 3, minus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2 minus plus 2 here. Minus it will be plus 1, plus 1 it will be minus 2 into plus 3 equal to 1. From this we can find the value k into 16. 16, it will be 1. So k equal to 1 by 16. Okay, next, find the probability density function. Separate the integral. We want to substitute here. We know that what is k value. Okay, here we know that we can separate the interval. So here we want to take, we know that probability density function, we want to find the f of x equal to the term. F of x equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx. So substitute the value. We know we know the separate the interval. It will be, we'll get 1, 2, 3. We know that what is 16. 16 into x minus 1 into dx. Integration 3 to infinity into dx. Next here integration 1 to 3. 1 by 16 into, so integrate the term, it will be x squared by 2 minus x into 1 to 3 plus x into 1 to 3 to infinity. So answer 1 by 16 into it will be 8 by 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Here infinity minus 3. So from the term we can bring f of x equal to simplification. You will get minus 23 by 8. Next, second problem. Let x be a random variable with a probability density function given by f of x equal to the function. Let x be a random variable with a probability density function given by f of x equal to cx square. The x varies from modulus of x less than or equal to 1. That means this term it will be minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. That means modulus of x less than or equal to 1. Otherwise, if the x lies between minus 1 to 1, you have to take the function cx square. Otherwise, it will be 0. Find the constant c and find the probability of x less than or equal to 1 by 2. So here we know that the function minus infinity plus infinity f of x and dx equal to 1. We know the function range from minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So here modulus of x means less than or equal to, the x value we want to take 1 less than or equal to minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. This is a total property integration of minus infinity f of x and dx equal to 1. After this, function is cx square equal to dx equal to 1. So take outside c, integration of minus 1 to 1, x square into dx equal to 1. So change the limit value here. You say x square is even function. So change the limit value. It will be changed into integration of minus 1 to 1, x square into dx we can write. Integration 0 to 2 into 0 to 1, x square into dx. So here 2c, the integration will be x cube by 3, integration of 0 to 1 into dx, x cube by 3. So integration of x square will be x cube by 3. Substitute limit 0 to 1, 1 by 3. So we have 2 is there. It will be, we will get 2 by 3 in this, 2c by 3 equal to 1. So c value, c equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then probability distribution function. So x limit value, we know that modulus of x less than or equal to 1. It will be minus x values from minus 1, x less than or equal to 1. But we want to find the probability x greater than or equal to 1 by 8. It will be 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So we know that what is c value. C means here 3 by 2. C means 3 by 2. So integration will be 3 by 2 into integration of 1 by 2 1 x square into dx. Change the limit. Integration will be x cube by 3 1 by 2 into 1 3 by 2. So after the simplification, we will get 7 by 16. Third problem answer. Third problem. Let x be a continuous random variable with a probability density function f of x equal to 3x square, 0 less than x less than or equal to 0. Otherwise, x less than or equal to 4 by given x greater than or equal to 1 by 3. So x here varies from 0 to 2. So first take the numerator, take the part p of x 2 by 3 equal to p of less than or equal to 2 by 3. It will be p of 1 by 3 x less than or equal to 4 by 3. So integration, it will be integration 1 by 3 into 4 by 3, 3x square into dx. So integration of 3x square, it will be limit value 1 by 3 to 4 by 3 into dx equal to, it will be 3x cube by 3 by 3 integration 1 by 3 to 4 by 3. So 3 cancel. It will be only 4 by 3 whole cube minus 1 by 3 whole cube. So we'll get after simplification, we'll get 63 by 27. Next, we want to find x greater than or equal to 4 by 3. 1 by 3. It will be take the limit value minus 1 by 2 to 3x square into dx. So 3x square integration will get 3x cube by 3. Substitute upper and lower, we will get 2 power cube by minus 1 by 3 power cube. So after simplification, we get 2 1 by 27. From the process, we want to find p of x less than or equal to 4 by 3 divides p of x greater than 1 by 3. We got two integration answer. Then substitute the values. P of 1 by 3 less than x less than or equal to 1 by 3. It's a p of x greater than 1 by 3. So substitute the value. It will be get 63 into 25. So it will be get, we want to we get 63 by 27 by 215 by 27. So it will be both answer cancel. Finally, you get 63 by 215. Next, fourth problem. Let x be a continuous random variable with a probability density function given by f of x equal to 1 by 2 e to the power of minus x modulus of x for all x belongs to R. If y is equal to x square, find the cumulative distribution function of y. First, we know that the x varies, y varies from 0 to close to 0, open infinity. For all the way, we want to take the closed interval 0 and open interval infinity. We have f of y equal to p of y less than or equal to small y. We know that the given y is equal to capital Y is equal to x square. So substitute the values. So x square less than or y mean we can separate here p of x less than or equal to root y. If you apply the square root here, root y. So less than or equal to we can separate minus of root y by less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus root y. We know that what is the function. We got here limit value. The given function e to the 1 by 2 e to the minus of modulus x. So integration of e to the power of x, integration of minus into dx, it will be minus into e to the power of x minus x. So here we want to change the integral. This is e power minus x even function. We can change the limit value. Integration minus root y into root y equal to e to the power of minus of modulus x into dx. We can write here 2 into 2 into 0 to root 2y e to the power of minus of modulus of x into dx. So here we have 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to cancel. You will get remaining term integration 0 to root 2y e to the power of minus of modulus of x into dx. 1 minus e to the power of substitute upper and lower you will get here. Here we can write it will be e to the power of minus of x divided by minus here minus x 0 to root y. Substitute here limit value. So it will be minus of e to the power of minus root y here plus 1. So from the time we can write 1 minus e to the power of minus of root y. So answer. So next problem. Let x be a continuous random variable with a probability density function f of x equal to c into e to the power of minus 4x. The x varies from modulus of x greater than or equal to 1, where c is a positive integer. Find the c and find 2 less than x less than 5. The limit value integration of minus infinity plus infinity f of x into dx equal to 1. We know that it's a total probability. So 0 to infinity x varies from 0 to infinity c into e to the power of minus 4x into dx equal to 1. C into taken outside the limit value 0 to infinity e to the power of minus x 4x into dx equal to 1. So we know the integration of e to the power of minus 4x into dx, it will be equal to e to the power of minus 4x by minus 4. Here limit will 0 to infinity, substitute limit value 0 to infinity. Substitute upper and lower limit. It will be minus 4 taken outside, uh, minus 1 by 4 into, it will be e to the power of infinity minus e to the power of 0. It will be answer 1 by 4. C into 1 by 4 equal to 1. So C equal to 4. Next is here the given limit value, the probability value 2 less than x less than 5. You want to find the probability, the x 2 to 5 values. Substitute the limit values, the same things. Here we can apply integration here c into e to the power minus 4x dx. Substitute c value integration 2 to 5, 4 into e to the power minus 4x into dx. Integration term it will be e power minus 4x by minus 4, 2 to 5. Substitute limit value, it will be e power minus 20 minus e power minus 8. So e to the power of minus value it will be 0. E to the power of minus 20 answer 0. E to the power of minus 8 value it will be 0.003. Therefore P of 2 less than x less than 5 answer 0.0303.